Do ants use sound to communicate? Have you ever wondered how ants talk to each other? It might surprise you to learn that ants do use sound as part of their communication, but it is not their primary method. Most people think of ants as little creatures that send messages through chemicals called pheromones. While that is true, sound plays a role too, especially in certain situations and for specific species. Ants produce sounds through a process called stridulation. This occurs when they rub parts of their bodies together, similar to how crickets chirp. This rubbing creates vibrations or faint noises that other ants can detect. These sounds are often very quiet and may be felt as vibrations rather than heard as noise by humans. Sound communication is most common inside the nest or during aggressive encounters. For instance, some ants use stridulation to signal alarm or call for help if they are trapped or in danger. Certain species, like harvester ants and army ants, have special body parts known as stridulatory organs that help them make these sounds. The vibrations travel through the ground or the air near the ants, and other ants can pick them up using their antennae or legs. In addition to stridulation, some ants use vibrations in other ways. Leafcutter ants, for example, scrape their mandibles on leaves to create vibrations that signal information about the type of leaves they are harvesting. This helps coordinate group activities and keeps the colony organized. While chemical signals remain as the most important way ants communicate, sound and vibration add another layer to their social interactions. Even ant pupae, which are the stage between larvae and adults, can use sound to signal for help or indicate their social status. This is especially useful for pupae because they do not yet produce adult pheromones, so sound helps them stay connected to the colony. From the perspective of reptiles, amphibians, and insects, ants are just one example of how small creatures use a mix of senses to interact. While reptiles and amphibians often relying more on visual and chemical signals, insects like ants show how sound and vibration can be important, especially in dark or crowded environments where other signals might be harder to detect. Understanding how ants communicate through sound can have practical applications too. Scientists study how ants use sound and vibration to coordinate, which can inspire new ways to manage insect pests or design robots that work together in swarms. So, do ants use sound to communicate? Yes, they do, but it is just one part of a larger system that also includes chemicals and touch. This combination helps ants work together efficiently, even in complex and changing environments.